Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Jonathan. I'm a spiritual guide, a healer, and a medium. To my returning subscribers, welcome back, my friends, welcome back. For those of you who are new to the channel, this is a weekly series of channel messages from your angels that I upload each and every single Sunday for the following Monday to Sunday. But what's important is to only take what resonates with you, because this is a general channel message. And now let's begin the channel message. This week, you're really being called to tap into your heart space. You're really being called to focus inwards as far as your inner happiness. You're really being called to become more and more of an observer in realizing what is bringing you down and what is helping raise your vibrational frequency. You're really being called to pay attention as far as which individuals still have control over you emotionally. Which individuals are able to, whether it's manipulate you or just able to direct you in to send out a certain emotional vibrational frequency. And it is now time to let go. It is now time to release the control that they've had over you as far as your emotional well-being, and really tap into your heart space. Take a step back, become more of an observer. Love them unconditionally and be understanding as far as why they perceive their reality in a certain way, why they have a certain set limited belief. Because over the next couple of months, you're going to be gaining an incredible deep amount of information as far as your past lives, as far as yourself at a soul level, as far as certain experiences that you've had in your life, beginning to learn the deep, profound life lessons that you were meant to. But it is your vibrational frequency that's going to dictate how much progress you will be making moving forward. It's your vibrational frequency that will dictate how clear that guidance is going to be. It is your vibrational frequency that will dictate how much knowledge you're going to gain as far as how you should move forward. This is basically your inner child that is wanting to come out, because you're going to begin to step into the unknown like you've never done before. You're going to be opening up these secret doorways, because 2021 is about unexpected blessings coming forth. It is about opening up those secret doorways. But you have to have a childlike mentality as far as opening them up, as far as stepping into the unknown, as far as expanding your level of comfort. Because the inner child within you does not fear what is coming up. The inner child within you is moving forward out of love. The inner child within you is doing things because they're passionate about it, because they enjoy doing it and they enjoy the emotions that it allows them to feel. So this week, really become aware as far as what you consume is consuming you. If it's bringing you down as far as your vibration frequency, if you're able to limit your exposure or else remove it completely. If you're noticing something is helping you to feel more uplifted, you're feeling better about yourself, you have more confidence, you're creating more self-love, more self-worth, continue to consume it more. And as far as your social circle, as far as the individuals that you interact with, the exact same thing. Pay attention. Pay attention. Are they still able to affect you emotionally? Do they have control over you emotionally? And if they do, now you're becoming aware of it. Therefore, you're able to now, as an example, stop always quickly reacting. Stop falling for their trap. Because a lot of individuals, energy vampires, needy people, narcissists, like to get you entangled into this, like to get you emotionally invested. Therefore, they begin to have control over you emotionally. But if you're able to take a step back, no longer feel the need to react as far as what is being said, how they are acting around you, and instead just be understanding. Instead, just love them unconditionally and come from a place of understanding. And for those of you who are empathic, start to practice as far as sensing out other people's energies, especially with individuals that you can sense are bringing you down. Start to sense out as far as what is it that has happened in their life that is causing them to act this way towards others? What is it that's causing them to want to manipulate and have such control over individuals? And you're going to start to discover that your empathic gifts aren't just about sensing someone's emotions. Your empathic gifts are you're able to literally reveal as far as what is their life lessons, what is their karma as of this very moment, what is it that they're meant to experience, what is it that they're meant to release. And as you move forward, it is really time to prioritize yourself. It is really time to invest, whether it is resources, whether it is time, or whether it is energy, in yourself, in your well-being, in your inner happiness. And if this means having to distance yourself from certain individuals, whether it's your family members, it is friends, or co-workers, then it shall be. As far as you, my empath, you should be at least spending 10% of your day alone. If you're able to, out in nature, even better. If not, doing something that you're truly passionate about, doing something that you enjoy, therefore, you're able to get lost in the moment. You're able to release yourself as far as all these stresses that we're constantly facing. You're able to release any type of fear that is being pushed onto us through this matrix. And as you do this, you're going to see answers are going to start to come forth. Because as far as the manifesting process, it is all about manifesting within first, and then it will appear in your reality. Your reality is just a reflection of how you are emotionally and what types of thoughts you're having on a daily basis. And you have an incredible power to create major changes in your life. And as far as creating changes that are really going to change your life forever, you don't need to pick out 5, 6 different higher timelines. You just need to have 1 or 2 come forth to create a major shift in your life. Create a major shift that's going to allow you, whether it is the time, the resources, the space, or just receiving the answers as far as how to move forward. Because this journey, it is a journey of self-discovery. But think about this, as far as your manifestation, as far as what is it that you want to attract, the more abundance that you have, the more you're able to share with others. It's the same thing as far as your time. The more free time you have, the more time you are able to help out others in some way, shape, or form. You're able to serve others, or else you're able to create something that will help bring joy, that will help put smiles on individuals' face. Because as far as our energy, as far as the overall collective, that's what we're here for, is to help raise the vibrational frequency of the collective. As Earth is shifting into 5D, we have to shift into 5D as well. But it's not going to happen through rationally thinking. It's going to happen, it all happens through the heart space. Putting that focus on your heart chakra, as far as heightening up your intuition, in order to move forward, and in order to see the signs and synchronicities, in order to be able to receive that guidance from your angels and your guides. And as far as these changes, you just need a few minor changes to come forth to literally switch everything up. And don't be afraid to open up as far as what is it that you need to have come forth right now. What blockages are you currently facing on your journey? How is it that God and your angels is able to help you immediately as of this very moment? What is it that you need to let go of right now? Is there anything as far that is coming up, as far that is triggering you, which should be let go of, which is basically just showing you, listen, you've done a lot of inner work, you've understood things at a much deeper level. We're putting this seemingly challenge ahead of you to see how is it that you're going to react. Are you going to continue to let other people affect your emotional well-being? Or have you learned your lesson? Are you able to take a step back, become more of the observer, and just send out that unconditional love and continue to be understanding? Because moving forward, it is your vibrational frequency that will help awaken each and every single individual around you. It is not opening up as far as the overall, not the overall collective, as far as the elitist, the plan that they have, but it is just your vibrational frequency. And you're going to notice Those of you who are struggling right now with attracting certain individuals, like-minded individuals, attracting your soul tribe, they are much closer than you think. But it's by tapping into your heart space, tapping into that inner happiness, allowing that inner child to come out, that's going to allow you to open up that secret doorway, that's going to allow you to step into the unknown. And then you're going to see they are going to start to come forth. You just need to discover yourself a little bit more. There's still some things that need to be revealed to you before they're able to come forth. If you're able to this week, get yourself grounded. Go out in nature and put your phone on airplane mode and just get yourself grounded. Release yourself, melt away any type of stress, fear, worry, or anxiety that you have right now, and realize that if it hasn't happened yet, you have power as far as the expected outcome that you want to have come forth. It is up to you to focus on what you desire and not to focus on what you think as far as what is the worst case scenario. Focus on the desired outcome. And it might not change it completely, but it's going to make it much more of a positive experience than you think. I wish you guys an incredibly awesome week. Make sure to tap into your inner child and let out this inner child and begin to create more and more inner happiness, which is going to help to raise your level of confidence. It's going to create more and more self-love, self-worth, and you're going to see all of a sudden the path which you should be taking will be revealed in perfect divine timing. Well, I love you guys. You guys have an incredible day. Namaste.